question, we have to fill in the blanks, and all these blanks are somewhat related to a circle. So first let us recall the basic definitions of a circle. Suppose this is a circle with center O. Then we know that the diameter is the longest chord, and it divides the circle into two equal parts, and each part is called a semicircle. Now, any line which joins the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called its radius. And if we join any 2 points of a circle, then this part is called the segment of the circle. And this circle divides the plane on which it is lying into three parts: the exterior of the circle, the interior of the circle, and the circle itself. Now, with this information, let us answer the above blanks. The first one is the center of a circle lies in blank of the circle. Now we know that center of the circle lies inside the circle. So here the answer is interior. Second one says a point whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than its radius lies in the blank of the circle. Now, it is saying that a point whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than the radius. It means that the point is lying somewhere outside the circle, since its distance from the center of the circle is greater than the radius. Therefore, it lies in the exterior of the circle. The third one says the longest chord of a circle is a, this is quite simple, diameter. Since a chord is a line segment which joins any 2 points of a circle, and diameter is the longest chord which joins the 2 points of the circle. Now, an arc is a dash when its ends are the ends of the diameter. Now these are the ends of the diameter. Now this arc is obviously a semicircle. So the answer is semicircle. Fifth is segment of a circle is the region between an arc and, so this is the segment of a circle. So this is an arc and this is a chord. So we have segment of a circle is the region between the arc and the chord of the circle. And the last one is a circle divides the plane on which it lies in three parts. One is exterior, one is interior, and one the circle itself. So this completes the solution.